Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your Nothing phone and unlocking it. This gets immediate access to widgets and gestures. Once done, find the Circle Search widget or the gesture zone near the bottom of the screen. This is where search activates. If the circle control isn't present, long press an empty part of the home screen and choose Widgets, then add the Circle Search widget. Make sure to place it close to your thumb for quick reach and to confirm it appears on the active home page. You now configure and use Circle. Open it and allow requested permissions so voice or context-aware results work smoothly. Once permissions are set, tap the circle to type a query or press and hold for voice input. The circle prioritizes local app content and web suggestions. As results appear, swipe through cards or use action buttons to open apps, navigate, or copy text. Make sure to refine phrasing if results are off. Short commands usually return faster, more relevant matches. To finish, test a few searches to confirm Circle returns expected results, then close the widget and resume normal use. If Circle misbehaves, remove and re-add the widget first. That often resets its state. If issues persist, clear the Circle-related cache in Settings apps or restart the phone to eliminate temporary glitches. Finally, make sure Nothing OS is up to date. Updates fix compatibility problems. If all else fails, contact support with a description of actions and screenshots for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.